novel as part of the Forgotten Kingdoms of India series written by Aarti Chavan. Today it's a celebration of storytelling, history, imagination and the forgotten chapters of India's past. It is now my pleasure to invite and introduce our distinguished guests. Our chief guest today is Shanti Priyaji. As they say, they typically start saying this person needs no introduction. So I once said that to somebody and they said, of course not, everybody needs an introduction. Don't we call Hanuman, Pavan Putra Hanuman? So everybody needs an introduction. So Shanti Priyaji is an acclaimed actress whose career has spanned multiple Indian film industries. With memorable performances across Hindi, Telugu and Tamil cinema, she has won the admiration of audiences for decades through her grace, versatility and enduring screen presence. We are honored to have you today for the official launch of Shadow of the Serpent Fort this evening. Welcome on stage. We similarly have someone who needs no introduction, as they always say, Sandeep Soparkar. He is one of India's most celebrated dancers, choreographers, actors and cultural ambassadors. His remarkable career has taken Indian dance and culture to audiences across the world, and through his work as an artist and mentor, he has inspired countless performers over the years. We are delighted to welcome you this evening. Please. We had one more guest who couldn't make it because of the weather. So that's Dr. Sonali Pednekar. Unfortunately, she can't join us today, but she sent her warm regards to us. And finally, as they say, last but not the least, our author of the evening, Aarti Chavan, who has spent over 2 decades building a global career in technology before turning to a lifelong dream of writing fiction. Inspired by 6 years of historical research and a passion for bringing forgotten chapters of Indian history to modern readers, Shadow of the Serpent Fort is a debut novel and a first book in the series Forgotten Kingdoms of India. Please join me in welcoming Aarti Chavan. So I'll just give you a brief idea of how the evening will flow like. So we'll begin with the official launch of the book, after which we'll request Aarti to talk about how she spent and how did she research on writing this book. Then we will have reflections from our chief guest and our guest of honor. And after that we have a very interesting time machine round, as we've called it. So please dil tham ke baithe is cheez ke. And after that we'll have a book reading by Aarti. So without further ado, we'll begin with the unveiling of the book. I request Aarti's husband Hemant and his sister and brother-in-law also to join us on this occasion for the official launch of the book. Shandeep,
फोटो नीचे
सामने देखिए।
अरे फोटो
वेट सर, एक सेकंड सर, वीडियो के लिए एक सेकंड।
पीछे वाला बैठो। हाँ रुको यार, ये फोटो वाला परेशान
ओके सर, थैंक सर।
The weather is terrible, as Vipul mentioned. It is truly an honor to see family, friends, readers, historians who are supposed to be here, and lovers of literature and storytelling gathered here this evening. Thank you all for making this such a special occasion. So people often ask me how long it took to write this book. The answer is 6 years. But in truth, this story has been with me since I was a child. If you ask anyone in my family, they'll tell you that I always had a book in my hand. I was a voracious reader, and I inherited that love of reading from my father's side of the family. When my mother first went to my father's house after they were married, she found hundreds of books, and my uncles were always reading in every corner possible. I definitely inherited that gene. Someone once said, books don't just tell us stories, but they quietly shape the people we become. And looking back, I think that's been true throughout my life. Books shape the way I think, the way I see the world, and ultimately led me to write this book. So perhaps the better question is, how many versions did you write? And to tell you the truth, the first draft of this novel, about four and a half years back, was nearly 500 pages and 77 chapters. And the version you're seeing today is about 300 pages and 54 chapters. Somewhere along the way, I realized that writing a novel isn't really about writing, it's about rewriting, cutting, rewriting again and again. And we have a couple of authors here who would I'm sure, be agreeing with that. So although I spent more than 2 decades writing business plans and strategy documents in the corporate world, I had never written fiction. And I quickly discovered that writing a novel needs a completely different set of muscles. That journey truly began during the COVID pandemic, and like many people, I suddenly found myself with extra time. At the time, my children had become fascinated with Greek mythology.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Congratulations, Aarti, for the debut novel. I can feel how the debut is, because when we are the first people to even come on screen or do anything first time, it's very nervous. So I can go through that, what you're going through that. So yeah, coming to the novel, when Aarti has asked me that just go through the thing and read, a small synopsis, like I was discussing with my sons, because I showed them this, and they immediately say, I don't know whether you're going or not, please get us the book. So this is what the book was inspiring them. And then I, very frankly, I'm not a book reader, but I always love to listen whatever others tell me, the stories, because I'm a very good listener. So I told, okay, tell me brief about the story. Mom, you will not understand. You get the book page by page, line by line, I will read and tell you. I will explain. I said, okay, done, I'll do that. So yes, the power of your storyline and connecting with this generation where there's a lot of entertainment digitally and in movies, but book is always very important for us to have, because for reference and for any other reason, we need to have reading, and books especially. And I would not like to take too much of time, and I cannot talk so much. I think I'll give it to Sandeep. And all the best, Aarti, once again, and many more cities.
Good evening, everyone. Aarti, congratulations for this book. Well, I think it's very nice to see upcoming authors, first time debut like this, because I think we all need to read different types of stories. Of course, we've had so many authors who have been doing brilliant work, and they've been writing some amazing books. I'm very fond of reading books, especially when it's to do with mythology. And when I see new authors coming up, I think it speaks volumes about how people want to come up with their stories, say what they're saying. I also believe that this very beautiful shloka in Sanskrit which says, Nitya Sahitya Nitya Kala Vihin Sakshat Pashu Kuch Vishanahin, which means a person without literature, dance, music, drama, any of these vidhai, we are like animals. And we don't want to be like animals. We should be more knowledgeable, and through these various art forms, be it, like I said, music, singing, dancing, literature, we can enhance ourselves and not be like animals. So thank you so much for not making us like animals with these lovely books that you have come up with. When she sent the synopsis and I read that, I thought it was brilliantly put together. And let me tell you, not as a choreographer, but even as a person, I believe if you make a Netflix series out of it, it will do really well. And I think even a musical dance drama would be good. So you can give it a thought once a couple of months are over as to how you can take the book furthermore ahead. And like I said, a series, and maybe because I'm into dancing, that can also look interesting. I saw some images of what she has made her characters look like, and I think they look hot and sexy, and they will make great characters on television or for these series and even a film maybe. So now that you're in Mumbai, spend some more time here, meet some good production houses, and we never know. A book comes up as a movie, which I think reaches further more audiences. And I do understand that the book reading now has not just with a book, but even through e-books and voice books, and there's so many more that's come up, and I wish you good luck. And I hope it comes in all the platforms, and we get to see more of your book. Thank you so much, everyone.
But since we have such esteemed guests, and a book is it's rooted in history, but it's truly an entertainment, right? Finally, a person wants to be entertained, so it's very relevant that we have two acclaimed artists here, and I would love to hear some of their thoughts on ancient India, but through a fun question and answer game. So we'll start with Shantipriya ma'am.
I cannot choose one because we always like to experience a lot of characters. But given a chance, then I would like to go with Rani Lakshmibai and Mother Teresa and Princess Diana.
Now over to you, sir. I'll ask Arnab. So, if you were to choreograph something from ancient kingdoms, would it be a royal romance or an epic battlefield?
मेरा ये मानना है कला जो है वो जोड़ती है तोड़ती नहीं है. So I would go for anything to do with romance and never for a battlefield.
If someone offered you a role in a historical epic or a contemporary drama, which one would you choose and why?
Historical. Yes. I love characters of historical and then I like to dress up beautifully. So I would like to go with historical.
No, definitely they dress up very better. We don't dress up even half as much as they used to.
Especially being a South Indian.
Sir, what ancient Indian art form or any ancient art form fascinates you the most?
Oh, recently I was in Orissa and I saw this paintings of Nagunjara.
फोटो मार सकता है हमारा कैमरा भी मार रहा है. अरे दादा बैठ के ले लो ना फोटो. अरे वो देखो ना हमारा कैमरामैन बैठा उधर. मोबाइल
आरती का डेब्यू है, फर्स्ट नॉवेल राइटर था एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा ये ओकेशन में मुझे इनवाइट करने के लिए. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस. एंड बुक पढ़ने के बाद थोड़ा सा सिनॉप्सिस बताया है उन्होंने, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और ये जनरेशन के साथ जोड़ने के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है और बुक पढ़ने के लिए. एंड पूरा बुक पढ़ने के बाद मैं डेफिनेटली आई विल रिव्यू दिस. थैंक यू.
संदीप सर, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे, आपकी लड़की को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आप भी आए, तो आपने समरी भी पढ़ा है बुक का, क्या कहना चाहिए, कैसी बुक है?
पहले हिस्ट्री को इमेजिनेशन के साथ में मिक्स करके बुक प्रेजेंट की है आरती जी ने. आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. मेरा तो ये मानना है इस बुक के संग कुछ ना कुछ नेटफ्लिक्स की सीरीज़ बननी चाहिए या फिर इसके डांस ड्रामा बनने चाहिए। एंड आई होप ऐसा हो, बिकॉज जब किताबों को स्क्रीन पे उतारा जाता है तो वो और निखर के बाहर आती हैं। ऑलरेडी इनकी बुक इतनी सुंदर है, कैरेक्टर्स इतने सेक्सी एंड हॉट हैं कि इसका पक्का कुछ ना कुछ बने तो और अच्छा लगेगा। प्लस आप और सीरीज़ बनाने वाली हैं, ये पहली किताब है, इसकी और सीरीज़ बनेगी। सो अगर आप फॉलो करते हैं पढ़ना लिखना इस तरह से तो आप करते रहिए, बिकॉज दिस बुक इज़ गोइंग टू गो लॉन्ग वे।
सर जैसे देखा कि आप कई सारे बुक को अडॉप्ट करके उस पर एक थिएटर ड्रामा भी बनाते हैं, तो क्या हम आने वाले टाइम पे ये चीज़ें देख पाएंगे आरती मैम के साथ?
Well, definitely, Aarti ji, your book definitely is worth a dance drama, and with a lot of music to it and all that, it will even be more interesting. And I think the best part is, जिस तरह से characters को present किया है, उनमें इतनी जान डाली है, इतने emotions डाले हैं कि जब उस मंच पे उतरेगा तो वो और भी अच्छा दिख सकता है। And I wish her all the very best. ऐसी किताब लिखना जहाँ पे आप दोनों का मिश्रण करें, अपने हिस्ट्री को साथ साथ इमेजिनेशन के साथ में, एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ थ्रिलर है, हॉरर है, पूरा एक होलसम एंटरटेनमेंट है। सो आई एम श्योर यू विल लव दिस बुक एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आज आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि कैसे बुक का थॉट आया है आपके माइंड में, किस तरह से इसकी शुरुआत हुई?
तो आवर होल फैमिली इज़ एंटरटेनमेंट में है, मतलब कंज्यूम करते हैं, देखते हैं। बट आई वॉज ऑलवेज अ रीडर। तो व्हेन माई बुक किड्स स्टार्टेड रीडिंग इन US, दे वर रीडिंग ग्रीक माइथोलॉजी। तो मुझे बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हुआ कि इंडिया में भी बहुत अच्छी स्टोरीज जो मैंने पढ़ी थी, लेकिन वो स्टोरीज है ना, दे आर ऑल इन रामायण महाभारत एंड दे आर वंडरफुल, एंड और आवर माइथोलॉजिकल गॉड्स, उनकी रीटेलिंग्स है। आई वांटेड न्यू कैरेक्टर्स, completely new characters, but still हिस्ट्री में रूटेड, जिसकी बैकग्राउंड रियल इतिहास हो। तो इसलिए मैंने लिखना शुरू कर दिया कोविड में, और उनके लिए लिखना शुरू कर दिया। एंड इन 8 months इट बिकेम दिस बिग बुक। और फिर मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं जो पब्लिशिंग में US में, उन्होंने वो पढ़ी है, दे सेड इट हैज़ टू बी पब्लिश्ड, दिस इज़ अ स्टोरी दैट मस्ट बिकम अ बुक दैट अदर पीपल शुड रीड। तो ऐसे शुरुआत हुई उसकी।
तो अभी आने वाले टाइम पे और कहाँ हम इस बुक को देख पाएंगे, कहाँ अवेलेबल होगा जिससे रीडर्स इसको इजीली फाइंड आउट?
हाँ, तो द बुक इज़ अवेलेबल ऑल ओवर इंडिया इन मेनी बिग बुक स्टोर्स, दिल्ली, चेन्नई, मुंबई, पुणे, हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर ऑल्सो, एंड ऑल्सो अमेज़ॉन पे है इंडिया में, अमेज़ॉन US पे भी है, एंड मेनी अदर कंट्रीज़, बट अदर कंट्रीज़ वी हैवंट स्टार्टेड येट।
इसके नाम को लेके क्या थॉट है कि जो नाम पढ़ पा रहे शैलो सर्पेंट फोर्ट, तो व्हाट इज द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट?
हाँ, तो बुक हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. One of the elements is the serpent fort, which is a character in itself, and it plays such a big role because 2/3 of the story takes place in that fort. और उसके कुछ तो है उधर, राइट? सो आई वांटेड टू मेक पीपल टू फील दैट राइट अवे, बिकॉज आजकल अटेंशन स्पैन इतना कम है दैट पीपल लुक एट द बुक कवर फॉर 3 seconds apparently. तो इन 3 seconds, yes, you have to grab their attention. तो हाउ डू यू ग्रैब देयर अटेंशन, दैट दे हैव टू ऑल्सो नो कि किस बारे में है। तो उससे सोच के वो कवर लिखा, इट हैज़ टू बी appropriate to the story but also grab the attention. So that was the thing, but the whole story is not about just the ghosts and all. The story is also about how he wins the battle with cunning, strategy against the Greek villain. So that is the later part of the story. So but it's hard to put all of it on the book cover.
Right.
तो बुक कवर उस तरीके से पहले तो अटेंशन ग्रैब करना चाहिए लोगों का, राइट?
सो कुछ ऑडियंस को या रीडर्स को कुछ कहना चाहिए क्यों बुक को पढ़े, क्यों खरीदे बुक?
या सो आई थिंक लाइक आई सेड, ये बुक अलग है। मैंने जब लिखना शुरू किया, आई हैव सम फ्रेंड्स इन द मीडिया, वो बोले हाँ आजकल बहुत बुक्स है हिस्टोरिक फिक्शन में इंडिया में। आई सेड यस है, बट एक तो नए कैरेक्टर्स बहुत कम है, देर ऑल mythology character that we already know, and they're great books, there's no doubt they're great books, but this is a book that is you can think of it as I don't even know, someone said something, but I don't want to mention like a name that's famous, but say something like a Robin Hood or a Lord of the Rings but based in India. So it's that kind of a story, and there are no stories like that I can see right now. think most stories don't have new characters. So this is the first time you will see an epic adventure with brand new characters that are still historically accurate. I have really gone to the details कि एकदम history में accurate कुछ wrong नहीं करे. You know, like I don't want people to find a fault in it.
I would also like to add that some books ऐसी होती हैं जहाँ पे रोमांस होता है, कहीं पे आपको हॉरर मिलता है, थ्रिलर मिलता है, अलग अलग जॉनर्स मिलते हैं. आई थिंक इस बुक में खासियत ये बात है कि इसमें आपको एक सब कुछ फुल एंटरटेनमेंट जैसे होता है वो आपको मिलेगा.